welcome to Ignition. We're here with another episode of Casting Couch, episode 2. Right here we have Anthony with his Kia Picanto. He's going to tell us a little bit about it.
There's a rumor going around.
So my name's Anthony. I'm the owner of this lovely red Kia Picanto. It's a 1.2 or 1.25, 85 brake horsepower, not fast, but can still smoke Golf TDI 2 litre. Had to get that in straight at the start of the video. It's a top spec, or top trim level. It's called the 3 because they're very creative with their they're just 1, 2 and 3. It's actually, I think, one of the quickest city cars you can get, apart from like the GTI versions of like the VW Lupo GTI and stuff. But like standard 85 brake horsepower, because it's light, like 11.3 seconds. It's not quick, but does the job.
Would you like to tell us about that time that you got to an RS4 in reverse on the M1? Tell us about that.
Yeah.
How do you achieve that?
Honestly, it was just on the side of a motorway, so I just passed it. That's the only time I'm gapping an RS4. Handling. Bit shit, can't lie. At lower speeds it's too light. Wish I was a bit more, you know, the firm grip. You know, you like to grip the... nice and
Firm grip.
No, it's too light, but at higher speeds it's alright, it's not too bad.
It doesn't get wobbly or anything.
It doesn't get too wobbly, apart from if you're going over like 100 miles an hour, which of course I've never done in the UK. Never done that in the UK.
Right, how does it skid? Can you slide it?
Can I slide it? I mean, there is one video of me sliding it on some grass in the seaside, but apart from that, the handbrake doesn't work that well. I think it's probably like a safety feature. Can look it up on loose surfaces, so probably like Trent Park gravel.
What, it's like an e-handbrake, like electric?
It's not E, it's a physical one, but I think it's got some sort of safety protection on it because it won't let me slide it on like a normal road.
What mods do you have? What mods?
Engine performance mods, none. Mods in terms of...
stickers, bro.
Oh yeah, the Ukrainian flag is at about
like
15 horsepower.
120 horsepower.
Exactly, there we go. Right there.
ECU boost.
Aesthetic mods, I've got black wheels, tinted windows, tinted rear lights, private plate as well.
Uji.
Suka.
Any Eastern Europeans know what that means? I'm not sure, am I allowed to swear on this channel?
What? Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Means bitch in Russian. Wait, let me find it.
It's actually got rams in it.
Got a subwoofer in the under-seat subwoofer in the car. Literally nothing.
Anything coming?
Anything
what you got
coming?
planned for it?
I mean, next month is just going to all be servicing, MOT, new brakes, new discs.
I think new tyres as well, bro.
Don't show my tread.
Golly!
Let's go off.
You should have told me to move before you did that, fam. Blowing all of that smoke in my face. So inside there, it's like Premier Inn sort of vibe in there.
Other than that, I've got leather steering wheel, leather gear knob as well, heated seats, front heated seats. Very rare in a city car actually. Automatic air conditioning. Heated seats is probably the biggest thing.
It's actually kind of
Pretty sick though.
What do they call as well?
No cooling.
Bro, it's not a Bentley Continental.
With a W12 engine.
That'd be perfect for summer.
Electric folding mirrors and they're heated as well, so if they freeze up over winter, they'll defrost. Bluetooth, hands-free call. It's actually got voice assistant as well.
Does it work?
No way.
It actually works.
It actually works? Oh
it's
my
slow. It's slow as hell, but as long as you talk like a robot, it works. Call Loris.
Calling. Mum. Say yes to proceed, otherwise say no.
It did not work.
Like I said, mum.
I said call Loris, I said call mum. Hold on. Call Eva.
Calling. Eva. Perfect. Say yes to proceed, otherwise say back or cancel.
Yes.
Dialing.
Yeah.
She's at work, but it works.
Like I
I'll
said,
do it.
what is that? What's that show here? With the talking car.
Talking
Cars.
car.
No, not car. Night Rider. Fam.
Oh, Knight Rider.
That's it,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
it, that's
yeah,
what
yeah.
I'm saying.
Night Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.
On the outside, part of the LED package, it's got LED turn signals, LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, and then full xenon and LED lights in the back, which are too bright.
They
Too
look
bright.
sick though, they look.
They look good.
Yeah.
They do.
How reliable is it?
I mean, it comes with the Kia 7-year warranty, which ran out in June of this year. It is a reliable car, but I have been technically stranded twice with it, but that's only because of a dead battery. So
That don't count.
yeah, it doesn't count too
that's
bad. No, other than that, it's reliable, good MPG. I want to drive safe, 52 MPG.
If you want to drive it.
52 MPG, 52 MPG, and then sort of on the standard it's about 40 MPG. Maintenance, honestly, I haven't maintained anything for the past year because I got it from a dealer, so that they do the full basically just like top maintenance from the start. But other than that, I've got maintenance coming up in October. Probably going to get new brakes, new discs, oil change, air filter change, all the standard stuff. Nothing really needs to be changed. Clutch is fine. Air conditioning probably needs to be redone, even though I redid it.
Is it stinking though?
It stinks a little, yeah. It smells like cat piss. I think it's probably just a filter. It's £20 road tax as well. Nothing really goes wrong in the car. It's a Kia. They're reliable. A lot of people are going to be like, why'd you get a Kia? Because I'm f***ing 19.
What are the pros and cons? So let's start with the pros then.
Reliable, cheap to run, 5 doors can fit 5 people. Taking with friends out for drives, nice and easy.
Have you ever had like more than 5 people in there?
Yeah,
Seriously?
I've had 10 people in there. I swear to God, 10 at once. We had to fold down the rear seats, but we didn't drive anywhere. We just stayed in it.
Okay.
Car was stance though.
You have to have it anyway.
That's a cheap bag.
No, most I've had when driving is 5, 6 maximum. Oh, it's comfortable to drive as well.
It's only a 1.2 though.
Yeah, it's only a 1.2, probably doesn't need it. I can go to 5th from 40 to 110, which obviously I've never done 110 in the car.
Autobahn only in Mexico.
Yeah.
In Mexico.
Rio de Janeiro. Cons, motorway, it's not the fastest. Obviously 1.2, it's not going to go fast.
You won't need to go for more than 70 though, right?
No, never more than 70.
Stop the cap.
Interior, camp is still a bit plasticky cheap. But obviously it's a city car from Kia.
It's not going to be too bougie.
It's not going to be bougie. It's not going to be like Audi A3. Cons, I don't know.
You don't like the chrome, do you? You said you
No.
delete.
I need to get it the chrome delete. Yeah, no.
I don't
think-
see the problem with chrome though. Why do people hate that?
I think it depends. Like I think on your car it looks alright because you got a lot of black.
Small boot space, but it's a city car, so you can't really call it a con when it's a small city car.
Yeah.
There's not really any cons to this. It's literally just mainly to do with performance handling.
But then again, it's a city car.
It's not a performance handling. Exactly. Pretty sure their top priority was not performance or handling.
Yeah, you can't knock it.
Mazda
back
MX-5
on
though. So who would I recommend this car to? I don't know. What? Drug
Hey, you
dealers.
know what? That actually might be a
The
perfect
blender. Actually, not in your spec, but
No. With the tinted windows, no. I mean, if you're on a budget and well, you don't really want to pay for maintenance of the car, you haven't got a lot of money, then I'd probably recommend this because it's cheap to insure, cheap for tax, cheap for petrol as well. Yeah, young drivers, or if you're old driver, yeah, probably just go for it. See a lot
Louis
of
fees.
old ladies in this.
who was it that said he got a granddad car? Like, who was it?
Oh, it was the security guy, remember?
Oh, yeah,
Hyde
yeah,
Park. Yeah.
Wait, so that you have a granddad car?
Yeah.
Over now.
No.
I don't see it as a granddad car.
Not in your spec.
It's a student whip.
Yeah, no, to be fair.
I can't picture some guy called Maurice or
They'll drive the old shape.
Gilbert
Look.
or some
Yeah,
shit.
that old shape is
can't
like
lie.
that just looks bad. It'll smoke the 1.2 courses.
That's all that matters, to be honest. At the end of the day,
The thing
you
is,
smoke the nonsense. That's all that matters.
get to the police station
Also
before they can stop you. It's a fun little city car. If you've got mates in a 2-litre TDI Golf,
Wavy G.
Wavy G, you can probably smoke them as well. Unless they're good drivers.
Oh,
You can get better stuff, but if you live in London and you're young, insurance is fucked. £950 no black box. After 2 years, no claims though. So I reckon it's still cheap to insure.
Yeah, that's really,
10E insurance graph?
that's really low.
Yeah, that's really low. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and of course leave a comment what you think of the Kia Picanto and what you think of the private plate. And if there are any Russian oligarchs watching, £2,000, I'll sell it to you right now. Tickle that like button. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace.